FICTAP held its 27th Cable Congress and exhibit to discuss technology trends and sustainable digital convergence for Filipino households. Mobile journalist Ray Vicente reports.
FICTAP just held its 27th Cable Congress and exhibit with the theme of navigating a sustainable digital convergence. Partners and operators from cable television and telecommunication companies gathered during the 27th International Cable Congress and Exhibit at the Manila Hotel. Every year, the Federation of International Cable TV and Telecommunications Association of the Philippines organizes this event that aims to collaborate with partners and discuss integration of new technologies.
Before, cable internet is a luxury. But now it is already necessity. Kaya we are in the right track. From cable TV, because of technology, we can do telecommunication. So we adapt. We adapt. We did not surrender. But we compete with the big players.
With this year's theme, FICTAP continue to embrace trends of the medium and navigate challenges in regulations. Yet, as a company standing for almost 3 decades, FICTAP emphasized their resiliency amid the fast-changing landscape of technology.
This year's theme, Navigating a Sustainable Digital Convergence, speaks directly to the heart of the challenges and opportunities we face today. For 27 strong years, FICTAP has stood as the home and the voice of small and medium-sized cable TV operators across the Philippines. We have weathered storms together, fought regulatory battles together, defended our rights as entrepreneurs together, and faced the ever-changing landscape of technology still together.
Keynote speakers also shared regulatory disputes and addressed internet access progress.
Of the developments that's going on right now in our telecom sector, we are very much aware of that. Among the objectives of the KP are to promote open access and a competitive market for data transmission and internet services, and with the end in view of providing consumers with connectivity that is of high quality, affordable, and secure.
FICTAP echoed to help partners bring quality, affordable, and accessible services to Filipino households. Meanwhile, exhibit booths including from the MediaQuest and other industry partners are also present to welcome those who attended. The Day 2 of the FICTAP Cable Congress will continue today, March 6. Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.
Huh?
Intrusi penuh, prediksi, interogasi eksperimental, semuanya dilakukan dari kantor ini. Kami adalah ujung tombaknya sekarang, Ben.
Tidak akan mematikan.
Jika kami perlu, tentu. Itu yang membuat kami istimewa. Tidak ada lagi aturan. Tidak ada lagi mengawasi penjahat dan menyaksikan mereka kabur sementara kami menunggu seseorang di Washington memberikan perintah. Oh, ayolah.
A napkin is good for you. No, no.
For your internet connection
And for the signal of your cable TV.
so fast and straight, the transmission to your home.
Sini Cebu
Offers you to have fiber optics.
for your viewing experience, perfect and clear, so fast.
So great and affordable for you to enjoy.
Cine Cebu Television Network Incorporated offers fiber to the home broadband broadband internet, bundled with fiber to the home, cable TV connection. Cine Cebu Television Network Incorporated, with its operation in Metro Cebu and the whole province of Cebu soon.
Cine Cebu, Cine Cebu,
For your internet connection,
and for the signal of your cable TV.
so fast and straight, the transmission to your home.
Cine Cebu, Cine Cebu,
Offers you to have fiber